Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is how much protein is needed on a plant-based diet. So I'm going to be sharing my perspective on this. I'm going to share my own personal experience and make sure you stay tuned through the video because I'm going to show you exactly what I ate on this day as well. So I've been eating plant-based for about 13 years now. I enjoy strength training, calisthenics, and I've come to find that we need a lot less protein than people think and a lot less than what's portrayed in the media. So I get about 60 to 70 grams of protein per day for the last 13 years. And I weigh 165 pounds. I'm 46 years old. I'm just a little under 6 feet tall. I have plenty of strength, plenty of muscle. And I just wanted to make this video because I see so much being advertised things with high protein. It's always protein this, protein that. And come to find out that the longest lived populations in the blue zones actually eat a low protein diet, or what many people would consider a low protein diet. So I don't try to eat a certain amount of protein. I just eat certain foods. I focus on a whole plant based diet for the most part. I eat whole plant foods that are healthy, and I kind of minimize the processed foods. And as long as you do that and you're getting enough calories and you're strength training, you're working your muscles. And I mean, you really got to put out, you really got to work your muscles. I don't spend a lot of time strength training, but I go hard when I do. I only do about 12 sets a week. I strength train twice a week, 6 sets, a pull, push, and a leg. You're going to get good results. You're going to have plenty of muscle and be plenty strong. So I just want to share this message. This is one of the themes of my channel. And let me show you exactly what I ate on this day as well. Here we go. So I had my first meal at noon. I generally have my first meal around 12 or 1 p.m. And this was an acai bowl. It had strawberries, blueberries, bananas, honey, and I added a couple extra bananas. So good way to get it started with some fruit, an acai bowl, delicious. That was at noon. And then at 3:30 p.m., I had an apple. I had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich on whole grain bread. And then just after that, I had a little thing of oatmeal. I was out and about. Then at 6 p.m., I had a salad. It had greens, cucumber, avocado, apple, and carrots. Then at 7 p.m., I had this Thai veggie sweet potato homemade soup. I had it left over with some prunes and some peanuts as well on the side. And this is a dish that I make on a somewhat regular basis. And it's satisfying and delicious. And that was it. Oh, yeah. And I also had a handful of dark chocolate chips for dessert. So thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box with some great recipes that I make regularly. I'm also going to pin that in the comments. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this. Subscribe for more videos. I hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.